Welcome to 151 Harrison Drive in the beautiful South River community of Elora. This incredible home was just meticulously built by Granite Homes in 2023 and boasts well over 2,900 square feet of above-grade luxurious living space. It also features a newly renovated legal 2-bedroom basement apartment. Let's take a look at what this amazing home has to offer. The main level features a spacious open concept layout with stunning cabinets, quartz countertops, and an oversized island with an extended breakfast bar that is perfect for dining and entertaining. The living room features beautiful hardwood flooring and offers an abundance of natural light through its ceiling height windows. The main floor offers a 2-piece powder room, an additional flex room that can be used as an office or a den, and the added bonus of a mudroom and closet at the garage entrance. The upper level features 4 bedrooms, with the primary bedroom offering a large walk-in closet and an absolutely stunning spa-like 5-piece ensuite bathroom. As you take a look around, you'll truly appreciate how spacious all 4 of these bedrooms are. Each of them have more than enough space for a queen or king-size bed, full dresser, and even a desk for homework or office space. You will also find a 5-piece main bath with double sinks and the convenience of an upstairs laundry room with a sink and plenty of space for folding and ironing your clothes. The recently renovated legal basement apartment boasts its own private side entrance and features 2 generously sized bedrooms with ample living space throughout. The expansive living and dining areas are filled with natural light, enhanced by 9-foot ceilings that create a bright, open atmosphere, making it feel more like the main level of the home. This suite also includes in-suite laundry, a luxurious bathroom, and a sleek modern kitchen with brand new appliances. Whether you're looking for turnkey rental income or a comfortable multi-generational living solution, this unit offers exceptional flexibility and value. Heading outside and into the community, Elora is one of Canada's most beautiful villages. It has a vibrant downtown full of elegant shops and delightful restaurants. People come from afar to visit the Elora Gorge Conservation Area, Elora Mill Hotel and Spa, the Grand River, Cataract Trailway, and much, much more. There are also wonderful parks and schools that any family will appreciate and enjoy. As you can see, this home and community are both absolutely wonderful. Be sure to explore Elora while you visit this home. Once you come here, you'll never want to leave. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.